waiting few minutes, it's fixed. As you can see, thumbnail is previewing here, and also my folder here. Everything is fixed. In your case, if it doesn't fix, then go to this view tab, press on this view, and now press this option here and go this view, and make sure this always show icon never thumbnail. This is unchecked. If it's checked, then uncheck this and press OK, and it will fixed. And if it is still not fixing, then go this PC, right click here, go to properties, go this advanced system setting, go to advanced, press this, show thumbnail instead of icon. If it's unchecked, then check this, or also you can select this, let Windows choose what's best for your computer, and press OK. Mine is fixed and it's working properly, so I will cancel this. And if still it doesn't fix, then comment down, and which trick work for you, comment down.